Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy a phone on Temu. To begin, open Temu Philippines in your browser or app so you can access the marketplace and start shopping. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. This is the fastest way to find the type of phone you want instead of browsing through multiple categories. In the search bar, type sample phone, then submit the search. After that, Temu will display a list of matching results. Take a moment to scan the options on the page so you can identify the item you want. When you see the sample cell phone in the results, click on it to open the product page. On the product page, you'll be able to review the phone listing more closely. This is where you can confirm you're looking at the correct product before moving forward. Once you're ready, click on Add Now. This adds the item so you can continue to the next part of the purchase process. After adding the phone, click on Go to Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart, where you can review the item you selected before checking out. In the cart, make sure the phone is selected. This step is important because only selected items will be included in the checkout process. Once the phone is selected, click on Checkout. This brings you to the payment and order review stage. Here, you'll usually see your order summary along with available payment options. Select the sample payment method shown on the page. As always, it's a good idea to double-check the total amount, shipping details, and any product options before completing the order. When everything looks correct, click on Checkout and then follow the payment process shown on your screen. The exact prompts may vary depending on the payment method you choose, but the process will guide you through the final confirmation steps. After your payment is completed successfully, your order should be placed, and you'll typically receive an order confirmation from Temu. Be sure to save that confirmation and check your order status if needed. That's it. You've now learned how to buy a phone on Temu, from searching for the item to completing checkout. If you're following along, move slowly through each screen and review the details carefully so your order is correct before final payment.